Hey there everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Code Engage, and this ain't gonna be a video wherein I'll take up a topic and teach you something. And this is a video wherein I'll make certain announcements as to whatever the videos in the future that I'm gonna upload in this channel, what that thing is going to be. So I've thought of two playlists which I'll launch parallelly, and I'll give my best efforts so that you understand every bit of it, considering whether you already know or have some kind of a programming experience or not. It won't matter, and I'll give my 100% into making the content so much valuable enough that you do not have to search for any other kinds of tutorials again. This will be a one-stop place for you. So the first playlist which I'm gonna launch will be for Python. Python is one of my most favorite languages. You can say I've been coding in Python for almost about 1.5 years right now, and I have also built certain projects over it, whether it be related to web development and some kind of a basic machine learning stuff and all. So Python is the first programming language which I had learned, and I initially got started with it and literally fell in love as to how the things work. So this will be a playlist wherein I'll start from the absolute scratch. Even if you do not have a previous programming experience or you don't know what programming is, you can definitely start on with this playlist and get along with Python as your first programming language that you're gonna ever learn. And although if you do have a knowledge of programming, for instance, with other languages like C++, Java, or maybe you know some bits about Python and you want to refresh the concepts once again, this will be definitely like good playlist, a healthy playlist for you to follow along. So this will start from the basics, and as the videos progresses we'll go on to the intermediate and maybe the advanced level of Python, covering all of these stuffs like functions to variables, then the object oriented principles which are present, classes and objects and all of the things that exist in Python. And it is definitely not going to be theoretical. We'll do hands-on coding over like the code editors, and we'll set up Python in a local system and see how it actually works. So it is going to be a long playlist, an ample amount of time will be required for covering all of the videos, and I do hope you will have the patience for every of the video that I upload. So this is one thing, and the second which I'll launch will be for the JavaScript fundamentals. JavaScript is really a powerful language and one of the most in-demand languages right now in the 21st century. If you talk about me, I personally do backend development with JavaScript. For example, Node, Express.js, and Mongo, all of those frameworks I have worked upon. And not too much, but yeah, I'm still going along with JavaScript, learning and also like making others understand stuff. Like I do have this habit of whatever I learn, share it with others, because it immensely helps us, like helps me to grow my personality and all. So this will be a playlist where I'll teach you the JavaScript fundamentals. So if you do not know what JavaScript is and you want to get along with JavaScript, for instance, if you know HTML and CSS and you might be like stuck as to how I can start with JavaScript, so this will be a playlist which you can definitely follow along. All of the powerful stuff, the under the hood stuff, what goes on in JavaScript, how the code execution and all works, that's typically way much different from other programming languages which do exist. So I'll make sure you get to understand that, and all of the programming constructs which are there with JavaScript will definitely be covered in this particular playlist. So these are the two playlists which will go on parallelly. I do hope that you will enjoy with each of these. Okay, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. Don't forget to like smash the bell icon. Okay, so that's the most important part, because you won't miss out any kind of a video whenever I upload it. This video, please share it with the friends and peers and with anyone whom you find this content is valuable enough. And that's it for this, and I am very much excited to see all of you join in with this playlist, and we can definitely learn together and increase our level of knowledge one step ahead. So that's it. Thank you so much for your patience of watching this. We'll see you soon in the upcoming videos. So till then, take care, bye bye, and see ya.